What have we got going on here? What are we up to? Hello, puppies. They're so funny how they're walking right now. Their little back legs are so wide apart. Funny little wide-legged waddle. They're all messy right now. To keep some weight on Mabel there, because she was dropping it fast, we give her about a cup of melted lard from the pigs. And
mixed with kibbles.
Mixed with kibbles. But the puppies got into it, so they're just all covered in lard right now. Such a mess. But that's what puppies are. They're messy. And that's okay. Good girl, Mabel. You're a good mama.